Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo Tango.
Today we are going to work on sandwich for followers and for leaders.
We're going to show you a complete sequence and make sure to stay until the end because we have more tips for you.
But before going to the video, remember to like if you enjoy it and subscribe with notifications.
Now, let's jump to the dance floor.
So we do side step, walking, stop, and sandwich. I'm opening the shoulder, the left shoulder, when I'm doing my rotation for sandwich. Back to his sandwich. He's rotating, also crossing the hips a lot. And I go back to my sandwich. And back to lifting and walk. I do the embellishment to keep walking with him. We close embrace. And we go to resolution.
So if you notice, we are going in and out of the embrace, especially even if we are dancing in milonguero style, this can be done. But in milonguero style, we're supposed to keep all the time the close embrace. This figure will not be ideal for milonguero, strictly milonguero. We approach it in a way that we can get very, very close embrace and also the possibility to release. Not talking about distance, it's just being close, but with the shoulder able to rotate from one side to the other.
We could adapt the sandwich, double sandwich to milonguero style, and we could do it in another milonguero video. And it requires all different type of work and angles from the hips and position of the legs to adapt. You can do it, of course, but you have to. Technique will be different, so you don't look like in bad position with your legs.
Exactly.
So let's keep focusing on this, which is opening and close embrace. Okay, stop.
We would like to let you know that this figure and many others about sandwich are available on our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango, available for download and also as part of our online tango training school.
This sandwich, another figures, a lot of technique, a lot of possibilities to learn new steps, new figures that you will use for the milonga or for exhibition, if you like, or on our website and online tango training.
In the description below, you are going to find the link to this course, a complete course that has an average of an hour long, all about sandwiches, how we enter, how we exit, different combinations, all using sandwiches, to the right, to the left, you name it.
Okay, let's go back to the video.
So let us show you the dynamic on this one.
Yes, let's work on that.
So we are checking the dynamic. So we are going to count it like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Just to put a dynamic, it's not like mandatory, but this is something that might work. Yeah. So let us show you from the other side the dynamic.
So we go in 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2. Okay, here we are again.
We have some tips for you. One, for the leader, make sure to rotate your foot while you are rotating her so she doesn't get stuck with your left foot.
Followers, pay attention how we have the feet position, the heels together, the knees together, the angle of your hips, when we go back to sandwich, when we step back, how we keep the distance with the leader. All of those tips are very important. Watch the video many times so you can pay attention on that.
Another thing is that make sure, leaders, you lead with your shoulder blade, the rotation, not from your hand. One very common mistake is that we lead only from the hand and not with the torso, and she doesn't understand the lead. So make sure you open your left shoulder blade when she needs to pass to the other side in this video, in this figure.
Yeah, for followers also keep the upper body, keep the frame pulling back. So we are not pushing the leader when we go front. Very common mistake is we move forward all together so he feels pushed. The same as followers, we feel pushed if the leader uses the arms to do the lead. So we have to be sure we're using the upper body. If you notice on the video, watch the video many times, we're using the upper body rotating, counter body, instead of arms
Yeah.
Very important. Followers, I follow the angle of the torso of the leader to know when we should stop, wait, or keep going.
Again, the link in the description below to the course about sandwiches. Make sure to check that one out.
Also pay attention, followers. One more tip. When I bend the knees, I'm not going down. So try to avoid going up and down, up and down. There is a technique I'm using, lifting the heels. So watch a video. If you don't see it here very clear, you can watch other videos about sandwich, or you can go to our website like we mentioned before and go to online tango training where you have all the technique and the tips that you need to know to be a sandwich expert.
Before you go, make sure to like the video if you're enjoying what you saw, and also subscribe if you didn't do so.
Thanks so much and see you on the next one.
Bye, take care.